Today we're going to remove and replace a defective audio jack while keeping the process clean and controlled. The overall desoldering and removal techniques can also be used on a wide range of through-hole components or THT components. Let's begin by flipping the board over and take a look at the underside pins. The jack has 5 pins where pin 1 carries left channel of stereo audio, pin 2 carries the right channel of stereo audio, pin 3 used for microphone input, pin 4 shared ground for audio and mic signals, and pin 5 used to detect plug to switch between internal and external audio. The video was paused while the board was preheated to 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Applying a small amount of flux to the pins. Now a small amount of solder will be added to the original solder, as this will lower the melting point, making it much easier to remove with solder wick. I recommend always adding flux to the wick. This will encourage the solder to wick up the braid much easier and uniformly. The goal isn't to remove every bit of solder, but to clear away as much as possible so that when hot air is applied, the jack comes off more quickly and with less heat. Cleaning up the board to remove the old burned flux. Locking tweezers are now applied to the jack for easy removal once solder liquefies. Applying heat. The hot air station is set to 480 degrees Celsius, 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The jack is successfully removed. At this stage, I'm monitoring the temperature of the board to ensure it remains within a safe operating range. This step is essential for preventing thermal stress on nearby components and maintaining full control over the heating process. Using an electric solder sucker in combination with controlled hot air application provides a highly efficient method for extracting solder that is deeply seated within the plated through holes of the PCB. This approach ensures cleaner results and minimizes thermal strain. Let's flip over the board and clean the top side. Installing the replacement port. I'm placing a layer of aluminum foil between the port and the surrounding components to keep the jack stable and level on the PCB during soldering. Adding flux paste to the pins, and then I will apply the solder. Now it's time for cleanup and inspection. If this video has helped you in any way, click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hopefully you will consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, feel free to explore my other YouTube shorts and long-form videos. There's plenty more tips, tricks, and repair insights waiting for you.